Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best practice for using Fidelity Crypto. So let's dive into it. If you are getting started with Fidelity Crypto, here are some smart tips to help you trade safely and effectively. First, always enable two-factor authentication on your Fidelity account. It's your first defense against unauthorized access. Next, start small and diversify between coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum rather than going all in one coin. Both are supported directly with Fidelity's secure ecosystem and can help balance your portfolio over time. It's also best to keep your crypto in Fidelity cold storage rather than moving it elsewhere. Since Fidelity uses institutional grade security, regular review your transaction and tax reports through the app to stay compliant. And remember, crypto investing is a long time. Avoid reacting to short-term price swing. Fidelity Crypto works best when you stay patient, secure, and informed. So if this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick crypto guide, and share your top reality tips in the crypto market. And that's it.